Welcome back to this new video of PHP operators. So we will start our today's session with the operator types. So basically what is operator? Simple answers can be given using expression 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands and plus is called operator. So in this example you will understand what is exactly the operator is. So PHP language supports following type of operators. First, arithmetic operator, then second, comparison operators, third, logical operator, fourth, assignment operator, and fifth, conditional operator. So we will start with first type, that is arithmetic operators. There are following arithmetic operators supported by PHP language. Assume variable A holds 10 and variable B holds 20. That is A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Then with the help of operators, we will see the following examples. So if we consider the plus operator, which is used to add two operands, example A plus B, that will give 30 because A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Minus operator, that is the subtracts second operand from the first. A minus B will give minus 10. Then the multiplication operator star, which multiplies both operands. A into B will give 200. Then fourth, division operator, which used to divide numerator by denominator. B divided by A will give 2. Then the modulus operator, that is the percent sign, which is used to modulus operator and reminder of after an integer division. That is B percent A will give 0. Then increment operator, plus plus. This is used to increase integer value by 1. That is A plus plus will give 11 because A is 10. Then the last operator in arithmetic is decrement operator, which decreases integer value by 1. A minus minus will give 9 because the value of A is 10, so minus minus will give 9. Then the second type is comparison operators, in which we will compare two operands. There are following comparison operators supported by PHP language. Assume variable A holds 10 and B holds 20. Then the first operator in comparison is exactly equal to, that is double equal to. This checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then condition becomes true. Example, A exactly equal to B is not true. So the second operator is not equal to, which checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. If values are not equal, then condition becomes true. A not equal to B is true. Operator greater than equal to checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. That is A greater than B is not true. Then less than equal to, or we can say less than, checks if the value of the left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes, that is A less than B is true. Next operator, greater than equal to checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Example, A greater than equal to B is not true. Okay, the difference is greater than and greater than equal to is it checks the value is greater than, or here it checks the value is greater than or equal to. Equal value also be considered in this case. So less than equal to checks if the value of left operand is less than the value or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. A less than equal to B is true. Next operator is logical operator. There are following logical operators supported by PHP language. Assume variable A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. Then the operator AND, logical AND, called logical AND operator. If both the operands are true, then condition becomes true. Example, A and B is true. Or, which is called as a logical OR operator. If any of the two operands are non-zero, then condition becomes true. Example, A or B is true. Then third operator is logical operator is logical AND. If both operands are non-zero, then condition becomes true. Then the logical OR, if any of the two operands are non-zero, then condition becomes true. A logical OR B is true. Then logical NOT, used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make it false. Example, not A logical and B is false. Okay, these are some of the logical operators used in the program. Then the next part is assignment operator. There are following assignment operators supported by PHP language. First operator is equal to, that is, it is simple assignment operator, assigns value from right side operands to left side. Remember here the assignment is from right to left, not from left to right. So example, C is equal to A plus B will assign value of A plus B into C. That is, the addition of A and B will assign the value to C. Then plus equal to add and assignment operator. It adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. C plus equal to A is equivalent to C is equal to C plus A. So this operator we will use many times in loops, in for loop or anything else. So here you have to remember this, that is C plus equal to A is C is equal to C plus A. Then the operator is minus equal to subtract and assignment operator. It subtracts right operand from left operand and assign the result to left operand. C minus equal to A equivalent to C is equal to C minus A. Multiply and assignment operator. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assign the result to left operand. C multiply equal to A equivalent to C is equal to C into A. Divide equal to, it divides left operand with the right operand and assign the result to left operand. That is, C divide equal to A equivalent to C is equal to C divided by A. Percent equal to, or the modulus and assignment operator. It takes modulus using 2 and assign the result to left operand. C modulus equal to A is equivalent to C is equal to C mod A. Then the next is conditional operator. There is one more operator called conditional operator. This first evaluates an expression for a true or false value and then execute one of the two given statements depending upon the result of the evaluation. The conditional operator has this syntax: question mark, that is the conditional expression. If condition is true, then value x, otherwise value y. Then the operators category, all the operators we have discussed above can be categorized into following categories, that is unary prefix operators which precede a single operand, binary operators which takes two operands and perform a variety of arithmetic and logical operations, and then the conditional operator which takes three operands and evaluates either the second expression depending on the evaluation of the first expression, and the assignment operators which assign a value to variable. So precedence of the PHP operators, so we have to follow the precedence order. Operator precedence determines the grouping of terms in an expression. This affects how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, the multiplication operator has the higher precedence than the addition operator. For example, x is equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. Here x is assigned 13, not 20, because operator multiplication has higher precedence than plus, so it first gets multiplied with 3 into 2 and then adds into 7. So the answer is 13, not 20. Here operators with the higher precedence appear at the top of the table. Those with the lowest appear at the bottom. Within an expression, higher precedence operator will be evaluated first. So here is the operator precedence: unary, not, plus plus, that is increment or decrement, then multiplicative, into, divide, percent or modulus, then the additive, plus or minus, relational, less than equal to. So in this way the operator precedence is there, that is from top to bottom. Okay, that you have to understand here. So according to the precedence you will do the operations in using these operators. So this is the video of PHP operators. Do like, comment and share this video to your friends, because operator is simple, I know, but it is very important to understand its operations and its precedence. So share to your colleagues and friends, and do like, comment, and if you are new to the channel then do subscribe to the channel. Do watching and learning. Thank you. Jai Hind.